Dear students, in the last video I told you about contour, what is contour, what is topographical map, what is atlas map, and now what are the features of contour lines. See, two contours that represent different elevation, they can converge, they can touch, but they do not intersect each other. Okay. Second one, when they converge, they represent vertical slope like waterfall or cliff. Whenever they converge, they represent vertical slope, that is waterfall or cliff. Third point, contours closely spaced. See, in the last video also I told you, whenever the contours are closely spaced, the slope is steep. Okay, whenever contours are far apart, the slope is gentle. The fifth contour. In every contour line, every fifth contour is labeled with elevation value, which is called as index contour. Okay, and which is generally thicker than the other contours. Fifth point, they are not made to pass through permanent structures like buildings. Okay, the contour lines are not made to pass through the permanent structures. The next heading is the difference between contour interval and contour spacing. See, contour interval is always fixed, okay, and a contour spacing, it varies. It depends, or it is an altitudinal interval, okay, and contour spacing shows the nature of the ground. See, I'll show you what a contour is. If you have forgotten, see, this is a contour line. What are contour or what are contour lines? It is a point above the mean sea level or below the mean sea level that are joined together. It is a point at the same height above the mean sea level or below the mean sea level. See, here are some few features of contour. First one is contour interval. What is contour interval? Difference in height between two successive contour. Okay, difference in height between two contour is known as contour interval. Like the height of first contour is 200 meter and the height of second contour is 220 meter. Then what is contour interval? Contour interval is 20 meter. That is the difference in height between the two consecutive contours. Okay. See, the next feature is vertical interval. What is vertical interval? Vertical interval is the vertical distance between the two contour line. And what is horizontal equivalent? Horizontal equivalent is the horizontal distance between two contours. Like, see here, see the diagram. See, this is the vertical interval, the vertical height. The vertical height represents the vertical interval. And see, this is the contour line. This is a contour, and when we have taken only a part of contour, it is drawn here on the map, then you can see vertical interval here, and this is the horizontal equivalent. The horizontal distance between the two contour is horizontal equivalent, and the vertical distance between two contour is vertical equivalent. See, now the next topic is gradient. Gradient means, students, that is slope. Gradient, it represents slope of land, and it also represents the ratio between vertical interval and horizontal equivalent. The formula of vertical gradient is vertical interval upon horizontal equivalent. Here are some features of contour, or you can say height of a contour. There are some definitions: triangulated height, relative height, spot height, and benchmark. What is triangulated height? Triangulated height, a point which is accurately surveyed, is a triangulated height. It is represented by a triangle, and this represents height, and this height is represented by a triangle. And this means that triangle means that this point is accurately surveyed. Relative height, relative, whenever you hear the term relative, Relative means the relation. Okay, so difference between maximum and minimum height is relative height, which is represented by Ri, or you can say it's Ri. Then the spot height. What is spot height? Spot height is height of a point on ground above mean sea level. Any point above the mean sea level on the ground is spot height. It is represented by a spot, like spot 320. Next is a benchmark. It is a point of reference by which something can be measured. It is a point of reference. Okay, benchmark is generally used on a building, or it is a point of reference. It is considered as a point of reference, which is shown by this symbol. Okay, so here we have studied about the features of contour lines, the difference between contour interval and contour spacing, and the next one, features of contour, that is contour interval, vertical interval, horizontal equivalent, gradient, triangulated height, relative height, spot height, and benchmark. Okay, that's it for today.